then just stay near the wall a bit more, and then turn about now, and then just straight to those marks, big brake, off, turn, let it drift, and then see how that makes it so much smoother. And then just more to that blue, see how there we're far away, so it takes us out there, and it just slows this corner down. And then same, just turn a bit earlier there. Then straight to that road, and then we'll just brake a bit early with this Honda. And then just let it drift out. And then sort of now it's just all throttle.